Hi, myself Renuka. I'm from Mumbai. I was looking for job in an IT sector. So on LinkedIn, I got to know about Evision TechnoServe, in which I got to know about 60 days online job internship program. So I enrolled into that program, and I got to learn so many topics like CCNA, networking, virtualization, ITIL, and troubleshooting. So those topics were really helpful for me, and it was taught to us by an IT managers itself. So while facing an interview, I was very much confident because I had a got so much of knowledge, actual industry based knowledge and practical knowledge during those sessions. And I joined that in November 2023, and within 3 months I got a job. And basically I got job from 3 to 4 companies itself. Every day I used to get call like 5 to 6 companies, and I could crack almost all the companies interview. I'm very much grateful to eVision team for preparing me so well and making me so confident. They also take your interview preparation sessions, so that is really helpful to face an actual interview. And I'm really grateful to all my teachers, Ganesh sir and Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, for making this process very smooth. So thank you.